Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at NinjaOne versus Jamf to see which management tool actually deserves your budget this year. Choosing the right tool can make a massive difference in your productivity, or at least help you pretend you're working harder than you are. NinjaOne is the all-in-one IT management platform that focuses on remote monitoring and management. It's designed for IT teams and managed service providers who have to juggle an ungodly number of computers and devices. NinjaOne allows you to monitor device health, deploy updates, and automate maintenance, presumably so you can spend more time scrolling through memes while the platform does the heavy lifting. Many users love it because the interface is simple and the automation actually saves time, unlike most time-saving software that requires a PhD to configure. On the other hand, we have Jamf, which is essentially a specialized club for Apple enthusiasts. It's built primarily for schools and organizations that have fully committed to the cult of Cupertino, managing everything from Macs to iPhones. Jamf allows IT teams to set up and secure Apple devices remotely, making it the gold standard for companies that believe Windows is just a fancy word for a glass pane. One of its biggest advantages is how perfectly it integrates with the Apple ecosystem, which is great if you enjoy being locked in a very expensive, very shiny walled garden. When it comes to ease of use, NinjaOne offers a clean dashboard and a step-by-step setup that's perfect for teams who might otherwise be confused by a toaster. Jamf is also user-friendly, but it does come with a bit of a learning curve if you aren't already fluent in Apple speak. However, for dedicated Mac users, Jamf feels natural and straightforward because it utilizes native Apple tools. In the feature department, NinjaOne is the inclusive friend, supporting Windows, macOS, and Linux. It's the ideal choice for businesses that haven't picked a side in the OS wars yet, offering remote access, ticketing, and backup solutions all in one place. Jamf stays strictly in the Apple lane, but offers much deeper control over those specific devices. With Jamf, you can perform zero-touch deployment, meaning you can set up a device without ever actually touching it, perfect for the socially distant IT professional. Performance-wise, both tools are reliable. NinjaOne is known for fast response times and solid third-party integrations, while Jamf is lightning fast as long as you stay within its specific ecosystem. Just remember, Jamf won't do a thing for your Windows or Linux machines, because in Jamf's world, those simply don't exist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.